BWT901CL App Connection Tutorial. 1. Turn on the mobile phone Bluetooth and connect to Bluetooth HC-06. Pairing password 12345. 2. Open the WITMOTION app. 3. Select the model WT901CL. 4. Search for the device and connect the sensor. 5. View the date on the main interface. 6. Click the WITMOTION icon to open the function list. Click the record button to start recording date. Click the folder icon to view the file. And click the setting button to modify the configuration. 7. Display of each day interface.